Vishal is asking that I have been advised to start a capital appreciation STP from all mutual fund schemes into arbitrage fund so as to invest the amount accredited in the arbitrage fund back into equity mutual fund schemes whenever the market falls. I don't know, this is too complicated. STP appreciation, then I'll just explain you the principles, and it could be useful for other investors as well. This is like creating a capital protection structure for yourself. If you have 1 crore of rupees, you invested it in an arbitrage fund. Arbitrage fund produces a return of 6% per annum, which is say 6 lakh rupees in a year, maybe 50,000 rupees a month, for sake of ease of calculation in my own mind. So if it is 50,000 rupees money getting generated from 1 lakh rupees, you will start doing a 50,000 rupee SIP in an equity fund. But you have 1 crore of rupees of capital, and only 50,000 rupees is going to work. One principle which we should not, so it depends. If you are an extremely risk averse person, you don't want to take chances with this 1 crore, this is something which you really want to be very careful about, then it's fine. This will optimize your return, because your 6% getting into equity will translate into something meaningful over a period of time, but it will happen gradually. Only 6% of your money is getting more productive incrementally. But imagine, if the difference between fixed income return and fixed income return, which I mean the arbitrage fund, because arbitrage funds in terms of return, they will be nothing little more or less than liquid fund in future. So if liquid funds are going to generate 4-5% return, and equity is going to generate anywhere between 10 to 13% return in future, this is the differential. So your 1 crore rupee will be earning that 5%, and the return which is generated on this one will be generating very small amount of money, which will generate high rate of return. Think of some other thing. Think in terms of making an allocation and not looking at it every day, because this is a strategy which is to deceive your mind that your capital is protected. But you have to do it differently. You can invest 40% of your money in equity and think that in 5 years time this 40% in equity might not do well, but this 60% which is invested in fixed income will appreciate. So at least you run the possibility of generating higher return, and there are other permutations, combinations possible.